from Pierre. We're gonna take our old, oddly taped engine bay harness out with questionable wiring. That's gonna come out. Get that all ready and begin removing it in preparation for our new one that is over here. Ta-da! Old engine harness is out. Everything on here appears to jive with the new harness. All of our connectors, all of our wiring colors. Everything is actually quite nice. I am all for it. Looks good. Things even have correct colors. Nice. So pulled the wheels in preparation for our Willwood disc conversion, and it looks like I'm not gonna have to do too much in the way of making custom hardlines, which is good. But I gotta rip all this shenanigan nonsense off, which we will do next time we're here. But everything else is looking pretty good. Definitely wouldn't complain. Our suspension looks nice. Everything appears to be not so effed, which makes me happy, makes Tom happy, makes the world happy.